So we are opening this set here. I am super excited to see what this looks like and how well it functions. It's pretty heavy, I'll say that. There's a manual in here. This in the back. This okay, so there's a manual here, English and other languages. Let's see what there says. Let's tape over the carton. Short. I'm hoping that the top telescopes somehow or other. We'll see. That's beautiful. Okay, it's a nice crisp, clear mirror, but I'm just wondering if this like telescopes at all. Oh, it tilts. It does tilt. I'm not seeing if it like goes up, because that would be nice seeing. So I'm a tall person. Okay. So there's that. And then smaller pieces here. Okay, this is the cell phone case. This is a proper phone up here to do like the videos that I do. And this one I'm guessing is this is the magnifying mirror. So you can really kind of get like a up close view of things. See a magnet space here. Oh wow, you can, okay. Well, it definitely, the magnet is pretty strong. So bring it down a little bit so you can see. So there's just the magnet on the back of here, and it looks like you can place it. Yeah, you can place it anywhere. Oh no, only on the top. So anywhere across the top here. The bottom half of it does not magnify. So you have to place it somewhere up at the top or close to the top, which I don't know how I feel about this. If you want to be able to like kind of use the center mirror without, I guess you could just take it off, and then there is a space on the back for you to just put it if you're not using it.